Today we're doing part 2 of the inside track for January. They have added some Icon G1 ratchets, and that's coming up next here on Just CB Gear. Welcome back everybody, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, hit that notification bell, leave a comment down below if you like videos like this. Well, Harbor Freight did a little trick on us here, and they added more to the inside track for January. What they did was they added Icon G1 ratchets, and what we're going to do in this video is we're going to take a look and see what they got here. As you can see here, they just threw this in at the end of the other inside track member sale here. So the first one we got here is going to be an Icon 3/8 drive Professional Special Edition gold plated ratchet. This one was originally $59.99. Inside track is going to get it for $44.99. That's 25% off. Now we're going to move to the first full roll of ratchets here, and we got another gold plated one here. We got the 1/4 inch drive special edition gold plated one. This one was originally $49.99. Inside track is going to get it for $34.99, and that is 30% off. Not a bad deal on that. Next up here, we got an Icon 1/2 inch drive flex head ratchet. This one is with a comfort grip, originally $52.99. You're getting it for $37.99, 28% off. And once again, these are inside track member deals on these. Then we're going to go to a 3/8 drive professional flex head with a comfort grip, $47.99. ITC is going to get it for $39.99, saving you 16% on that. Not a bad deal at all. Then we got a 1/4 inch drive flex head ratchet with comfort grip. This one is going to be $37.99, and you're going to get it for $29.99, saving 21%. Not a bad deal at all. Now the next row here, we got a 1/2 inch drive professional low profile ratchet with the comfort grip. This one's going to be $47.99. ITC is getting it for $38.99, saving 18% off on that. The 1/2 inch drive seemed not to be as good of a deal as the other ones so far, but let's keep moving on here. Now we got the 3/8 drive professional low profile ratchet with comfort grip, $42.99. ITC is getting it for $29.99, 30% off. That is another good deal. Then we got the 1/4 inch drive professional low profile ratchet with comfort grip, normally $32.99. You're getting it for $22.99, saving 30%. Now these 30% off ones are some great deals here. Now we got another 1/2 inch drive professional long reach flex head with the comfort grip. That's going to be $67.99 normal. ITC is going to be $54.99, 19% off on that one. Now starting off on this row, we got a 3/8 drive professional long reach flex head ratchet with a comfort grip, normally $57.99. You're going to get it for $49.99, only saving 13% off. That one's not a good deal. If you're watching this before the 4th of January, there is a 15% off coupon out right now, so that deal actually sucks. Then we're going to move on to a 1/2 inch drive professional swivel head ratchet with comfort grip, normally $44.99. ITC is getting it for $34.99, saving you 22% off. Then we got the Icon 3/8 drive swivel head ratchet with the comfort grip, $39.99 normally. ITC is getting it for $31.99, 20% off. Then we've got the 1/4 inch drive professional swivel head ratchet with comfort grip, $34.99 normal. ITC is getting it for $27.99, 20% off. Not a bad deal on that one either. Next up, we got some regular ratchets here with the non-comfort grip. We got the 1/2 inch drive low profile ratchet, $47.99. ITC is going to get it for $38.99, 18% off. Then we got the 3/8 drive professional low profile ratchet, $42.99. ITC is getting $29.88, 30% off. These 30% off ones are the ones I'd be going after or close to it. Then we got the 1/4 inch drive professional low profile ratchet, $32.99. The inside track is going to be getting it for $23.99, saving 27%. And then we got a 1/2 inch drive long reach flex head ratchet for $67.99 normal, $47.99, 29% off on that one. Sorry, my eyes are getting a little bit blurred late at night. Whew. All right, some kicking deals. So now we got a 3/8 drive, professional long reach flex head ratchet, $57.99, ITC $41.99, 27% off. Now we got another one here that's a deal. You got 3/8 drive, professional flex head ratchet, $47.99, $39.99 ITC, saving 16%. Now we're going to move on to a 1/4" drive, flex head ratchet for $37.99. ITC is going to get it for $26.99, saving 28%. And then we got a 3/8 drive, short, low profile ratchet. This one's normally $39.99. You're getting it for $29.99, saving 25% off on that one. And then finally on the last row here, we got a 3/8 drive, stubby low profile wrench for $32.99 normal. ITC is getting it for $27.99, saving 15% off. Yeah, right at the threshold. And then this next one is actually below. 1/4" drive, stubby low profile, $27.99. ITC is going to get it for $23.99, saving 14% off. So there you go. I know it is 2026 and they are coming out with a bunch of G2 ratchets here in the future, coming up pretty quickly. So they're probably trying to get rid of all these G1s, and that's why they added this to the sale, probably to move out inventory. Is there any picks that you guys see that you might want? There's a couple I would probably want, but I'm a fan of the G2. I've never had a G1. If they drop the prices more and I can get my hands on a flex head 1/2 inch with a comfort grip, I might snag that up. But leave a comment down below on what you guys are looking at on this and what you would snag up. I'd like to hear from you. So as always, don't forget to check the links out down below. Down there I have links that are affiliate accounts that do help out the channel. Some got discount codes to save you guys money. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell. Leave a comment down below. We are One Nation Under God, and I'll see you all on the next one.